In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use bookcheat.com to create a list of compelling arguments put in front of your potential customers to purchase your products. Inside your bookcheat.com portal, go ahead and access the Buy It Points template. Inside the area, you want to put in some information about your product. So it's basically just explaining what your product is. So if you're an accountancy firm and you offer payroll services, well, you just need to explain what the service actually is. So this would be something along the lines of helping business owners manage the staff wages, and then do generate. And then it creates 10 arguments as to why this product should be purchased. This can be used for any product whatsoever, but let's do another example. Let's say you are selling vegan burgers. So just simply type in vegan burgers. And if you have any USPs or anything along those lines, pull it into the description and then do generate. And there you have it. Go ahead and try out this template inside your BookCheat portal.